This just in! Sticker Mountain has a new look. We value your time, so we made our ordering process faster and easier. Let me show you how it works. First, select whether you need a sticker or a label. If you don't know the difference between the two, you can check out our video here. Now, you can easily choose your product details from one page. Select how many you need, the type of material you want it printed on, the type of lamination, the shape, and the size. Down below, you can easily see a live quote of how much your sticker or label will be. Finally, upload and name your artwork and leave any special notes for us down below. For example, if you're picking up your order, or if you have any specific instructions such as changing the color or the border. Then, add to cart. From here, you can still make any updates or even quickly duplicate or remove products. Once everything looks great, proceed to checkout and wait up to 24 hours for your digital art proof to arrive in your inbox. Once approved, it takes about 48 hours for us to create your sticky masterpiece. Have any more questions? Check out this playlist here or visit our website for additional resources and help. Sticker Mountain. The best part of us is to be a part of you.